Welcome to the best picks. The best annual inspection forms are probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining a safe and compliant workplace. This video will guide you through the essential elements of a comprehensive annual inspection form and label, helping you understand its significance, key components, and how to effectively utilize it to ensure the safety of your equipment and your team, and avoid costly fines and potential legal issues. Number 5. J.J.Keller Inspection Forms. These forms and labels help you stay compliant with DOT regulations, saving you from fines and penalties. It's a simple way to ensure your vehicles are properly inspected and documented. They're made of durable, 100-pound, manila stock and are carbonless for easy use. The 3-ply design ensures your records are clear and long-lasting. These labels are made of tough 1.6mm aluminum with a permanent adhesive. They're designed to withstand the elements and ensure your inspection information remains visible. The markings create permanent indentations, so your data won't fade, wash off, or be lost. This ensures accurate record-keeping over time. It meets all the necessary DOT annual vehicle inspection requirements. You'll have everything you need to stay compliant and avoid potential issues. This bundle provides 10 inspection forms and 10 durable labels, providing you with everything you need for a full year of inspections. It's made in the USA for quality assurance. What we like. It has long-lasting carbonless forms and a durable aluminum label that won't fade or peel. If you need a reliable, compliant solution that stands up to the elements, this is the one for you. This ensures your records remain legible and your compliance is easily verifiable. What people say. Our shop has been using J.J.Keller forms for about 30 years. These metal door stickers are always still right where we put them the year before and perfectly readable. Came just as described. 3 carbon sheets transfers well when written on. The red card is great quality and sturdy enough to last on the vehicles. Good quality, and it came in a baggie with the red stickers ready for the inspections. Number 4. J.J.Keller Vehicle Inspection Kit. Keep your vehicles, workers, and roadways safe and compliant. These forms and labels help you avoid penalties and reduce stress. They're made of durable 100-pound, manila stock and are carbonless for easy use. The 3-ply design ensures they'll last. These durable vinyl labels are laminated for extra protection against heat, tears, and punctures. They're easy to apply and write on. It meets all the necessary DOT regulations for annual vehicle inspections. The forms include the minimum periodic inspection standards. This bundle includes 10 forms and 10 labels, each individually shrink-wrapped for easy distribution. It's ready for retail shelves. What we like. Each form and label set is conveniently shrink-wrapped for easy dispensing and organization. If you value convenience and protection for your inspection materials, this is a great choice. It's perfect for businesses that want to keep their inspection records neat and readily accessible. What people say. Readable and durable. Excellent quality, exactly what I was looking for. These sheets are easy to follow and ensure a safe truck. Number 3. GotSafety Exterior Inspection Label. It helps you meet FMCSA requirements 49 CFR 396.17 through 396.23. Keep your vehicle's records updated and avoid costly fines. Write on it with a pen, the metal imprints the text. This ensures readability even if the ink fades. Made of durable aluminum, it resists heat and wear. The label is puncture resistant, protecting your records. It features a strong, permanent adhesive. This ensures it stays put for years, not just months. This label covers 3 years, from the current year to 2 years out. You won't need to buy new ones every year. What we like. This one boasts durable aluminum labels with permanent markings that resist fading and wear. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-quality label that will withstand harsh conditions, this is the ideal option. The larger pack size offers excellent value for businesses with a larger fleet of vehicles. What people say. Seals and adhered well. Great stickers for equipment inspection, good adhesion to equipment. There's a good inspection stickers, they are just what I needed. Number 2. J.J.Keller inspection forms. It's easy to stay compliant and avoid penalties. These forms, decals, and labels ensure you meet all DOT requirements. They're made to last. The forms are carbonless and fade-resistant, while the decals are durable and long-lasting. These labels are tough. The 2-ply vinyl construction resists heat, tears, and punctures, ensuring your information remains intact. It's simple to apply and write on them. The pre-numbered labels and forms streamline your workflow. They meet all DOT regulations for annual vehicle inspections. You'll have everything you need for complete reporting. This pack contains 10 of each item. You'll have enough for a full year of inspections. These forms and labels are made with pride in the USA, ensuring high quality and reliability. What we like. It offers high-quality 2-ply forms and pre-numbered labels for efficient record keeping. If you need a streamlined system for tracking your inspections, this is the best choice. The pre-numbered labels help maintain order and prevent any confusion or missing information. What people say. Quality paperwork. Must have. The forms arrived ahead of schedule. They are perfect for what we'll be using them for in our shop. Number 1. J.J.Keller inspection labels. These durable inspection labels help you stay compliant and avoid penalties. They're designed to withstand harsh conditions and ensure your important data remains visible. Made from 1.6 mil aluminum, it's built to last. The permanent adhesive ensures it won't peel or fade, even in extreme weather. These labels are simple to apply and write on. The markings create permanent indentations that won't fade or wash away. Plan ahead with a 3-year date range, making it convenient for annual inspections. It simplifies your record-keeping process. Rest assured that it meets all DOT regulations. Keep your vehicles and operations compliant with 49 CFR section. This 20-pack provides ample labels for your fleet. It's a cost-effective solution for maintaining compliance. These labels are manufactured in the USA, supporting American jobs and quality. You can trust in their reliability and durability. What we like. This product offers a 20-pack of durable aluminum labels designed to withstand the elements. If you manage a large fleet of vehicles and need a cost-effective, long-lasting solution, this is the perfect option. The bulk pack provides significant savings and ensures you'll always have labels on hand. What people say. Was apprehensive that I would receive old ones with last date of 2023, but nope, these are the latest going out to 2026. Aluminum depression lasts full 12 months. Same product as on J.J.Keller website, only less expensive here. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.